I'm in conversation with the management of GTPL Hathway Ltd, and I'm going to speak to them about the fact they've just listed on the stock exchanges in India. Now, very quickly, sir, just to remind our viewers, what is the proceeds going to be used for? I understand half of it is a fresh issue and half of it is an offer for sale.
Yes. So basically, we always close to around 480 crores का proceeds है और जिसमें से 240 crores primary है और 240 crore primaries में से around 230 crores we are going to debt repayment and further 10 crores must be around general corporate purpose. And yes, and OFS side is also close to around 245 crores. We and Hathway 50-50 partners. So we have some debt in holding companies, so that will go into repayments. So that's for proceed. Thank you.
Now, sir, just to understand and bring in the investor side, you handle investor relations. I understand that the size of the IPO was cut. Why was that? I mean, it seems that it was oversubscribed about 1.5 times. So it seems that there was appetite, in retrospect, of course.
Yeah, the appetite is there now, it is saying, but the board, the management and the promoters all have taken the decision that this is not the time to go more dilution for the company. So they wanted to dilute somewhere around 25% of the company. And based on that, the decision has been taken that we should go for 480 to 485 crore of the IPO of the total. And that's why from 600 crores it has come down to 485 crores.
The tier 3 and tier 4 cities, you've already seeded them. So they're essentially, you've laid the platform.
Yes.
And you expect that revenue to sort of boom going forward.
Yes.
How do you see that contributing to your ARPUs going forward? You weren't able to speak about it earlier because the IPO was ongoing. You can perhaps give us an idea now.
नहीं वैसे तो देखा जाए तो अभी भी स्टिल आइकॉन बट आप देखा जाए तो लाइक एज फेज 1 एंड फेज 2 जब डिसलाइशन हुआ था 2013 और 14 में फेज 1 एंड फेज 2 and it started close to around 65 to 60 rupees and now we reach around 110 or 100 rupees. The same journey is followed by the phase 3 and phase 4 also, and yes, we completed just that in the last 3 months back, and then it's close to around 2/3 market shares, 5 million subscribers we already said. And आने वाला जो उसका actual monetization है तो वो तो आने वाले टाइम पे होगा. Same journey will follow like phase 1 and phase 3.
Okay, but you expect revenue to significantly be bolstered by this tier 3, tier 4 addition, and that ramp up is likely to happen in this financial year and the next one?
नहीं वैसे आप देखा जाए तो जो जर्नी जैसे फेज 1 और फेज 2 में रैंप अप हुआ है 60 रुपीज़ से लेके आज 110 रुपीज़ पे हुआ है लास्ट 3-4 साल में, सेम जर्नी फेज 3 एंड फेज 4 में भी फॉलो होगा.
I understand this business is highly capital intensive. You've already spent a lot of money with regard to phase 3, as sir just said. What are the avenues that you might, I mean, it might be a little early, but how soon would you look to raise capital?
See, currently if you see our debt position, the net debt is somewhere around 420 crores. And after repaying the debt through the proceeds of the IPO, it will come down by somewhere around 190 crores. So the company has the scope to take the new debts because if you see the debt to net worth ratios, it will come down to around 0.3 from 0.8 right now. So the current plan is that we should, whatever investment we have to make for the GPON, FTTS, the broadband, and for this expansion of the cable and the broadband side, we will do it through the internal accruals plus some of the debt which we are going to take. So that is the plan. There is no plan to raise any monies, and from next 2 years at least, we are looking forward for internal accruals and some debt in the company to meet all the capex.